I have a Kenmore Elite 417.811020000 that is showing an E64 error code. Any ideas on the issue? THX.
My name is Woody. I'm sorry to hear that you're having issues. I will do my best to take the information that you provide to me and make a diagnosis for you to be able to repair your own appliance. I'm also be assisting you along with other customers, so there may be a delay in responses. Do not panic, just wait for my reply. Note, the website will send you a prompt for a phone call and pop UPS. Those are not from me, so if you do not want me to call you, please ignore IT. Give me a few minutes to pull up information on this model. The E64 error code is telling you the heating element is open and will need to be replaced. The link below is to the part you will need from a highly recommended company rated A+ with the Better Business Bureau. They offer a 100% money-back guarantee, even on installed electrical parts, for an entire year. They are the only company to allow returns on installed parts for a refund and offer a full 1-year warranty. Click here.
Just curious, what does it mean that the element is open? Also, is this uncommon for a dryer that is about 6 years old? THX.
Open means the heating element coil is open and cannot carry voltage through it. And yes, an open heating element is common on all makes and models of dryers.
I installed the new heating element last night and found the old element was burnt, warped and cracked. I just ran a load through the dryer and it was noticeably warmer in there. However, it still shut off just short of the load being completely dry and showed CLL-SRV and with an E64 error code again. Any thoughts?
Okay, as stated earlier, the E64 is an open heater circuit, so I recommend checking the electrical connections on the new heater, as they were lucid and create this error also.
I made sure all connections were tight. Anything else to check?
You can check the new heater to see if for some reason it has gone bad and check the electrical connections on the control board.
Just check the control board connections to see that they are snug, or is there more to do with that step?
No, just the connections on the control board and the heater itself.
Everything is snug. A little background: even before I changed the old heating element, the dryer was only shutting off near the end of the load when things were mostly dry and the dryer was hot. Same timing with the new element installed. Could it be any sort of heat sensor tripping things?
Well, the E64 shows heater open circuit, possible causes heating element or wiring defective, possible solutions, check heater coils and connections for open circuits. Replace heater and or wiring and retest. Do you have a volt-ohm meter and know how to use it? To be able to do any voltage or component resistance testing.
I've never used a volt-ohm meter, but I may need to learn how. Could the machine show more than one error code? Right now when it shuts off it shows CLL-SRV. I press and hold power and start/pause and E64 comes up. Is there a way to see more codes if there were any?
Reading error codes 1. Wake the dryer up by pressing the power button. If dryer will not wake up, refer to error no display. 2. Turn the knob to any cycle. 3. Press and hold the power and start/pause buttons simultaneously for 6 seconds to show the last error code recorded. The error code will appear in the display as an E followed by 2 numbers. Note, EO means no failure code experienced. 4. To view the last 5 error codes recorded or to clear all error codes, and let me know if you get any more other than the E64.
Also got an EF8, now it shows only that one. No option to clear all codes though.
Okay, the EF8 means key stuck, possible fault condition, console button or interface board defective. Possible solutions, check buttons for activation when pressed. Replace console or interface board as appropriate.
Could it have thrown that code because I was pressing on the 2 buttons for so long?
Yes, it could have. You can also test the heater circuit from the control board down to the heater. Test the control board terminals J52 to J71 and J73 to each other and each one to chassis ground.
Thanks for your help. I have to leave this project for today. Have a nice weekend.
No problem. Thank you and have a safe weekend also. Woody.
If I were to replace the wiring from the heating element to the control board, is there a part number for that? Also, would it be worth it while I have things taken apart to replace the sensors that are attached to the heating element? I think one is a high limit switch, not sure the other one.
Looking for the harness parts info. Okay, the wire harness only comes as a complete dryer harness. Click here, click here, click here.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.